A very good morning to one and all present. I am Dr. Naineka Singh. I am working as an assistant professor at Mahatma Gandhi State Institute of Public Administration, Chandigarh, Government of Punjab. Today I will be speaking to you about the importance of mental health during lockdown. Now let us come to the basic word mental health. According to WHO, mental health is a complete well-being of an individual consisting of his physical, social, intellectual, spiritual and emotional well-being. Now keeping in mind the COVID crisis which are going on, because COVID has been declared as a pandemic, a global pandemic by the WHO. Now all our normal day-to-day activities have got disrupted. Schools and colleges, lifestyle patterns have changed, thought processes have changed. Due to physical distancing, we are not being able to meet people in real or in person. Now this has gravely affected our health and well-being in many ways. There is a lot of stress among people, irritability, anger, changes in sleeping patterns, eating patterns, lot of disturbance in their basic thought processes, and also a lot of physical symptoms like stomach aches, they're developing ulcers, maybe digestion problems are there. So, and also there are certain people who are getting into bouts of sadness. They are facing a lot of social isolation and loneliness and even depression. Now, keeping all these factors into consideration, the importance of mental health is all the more important. We must realize that this kind of circumstances over a period of time, as the WHO suggested, is going to be a way of life. So we need to acclimatize and make our thought processes positive. I will be giving you a few tips which you can keep in mind to actually have a good mental health. Now the first tip which I'll give you is that you need to reorient and reframe your negative thought processes into positive ones. So please get up every morning and do a little bit of positive self-talk. That I love and accept myself the way I am. Now this is going to definitely help you to rephrase your negative thought processes into positive ones. Indulge yourself into certain leisure activities. That is again something which can be beneficial for you, especially for the students. Now keep yourself motivated with the online courses which are available. Now the only thing is the mode of education has changed, but the accessibility to education is multiple. It's increased manifold. So one major advantage is that you can access a lot of information online. Certain dreams and aspirations which you wanted to fulfill earlier, you have time and time and time. So what you need to do is you need to capitalize your time positively and productively. Then what else you can do is you need to really focus on your diet pattern. Now that is again very important. Eat good, healthy, nutritious, balanced food. It is not basically how much you eat, it is what you eat, what will matter. Also maintain a good exercise regime. Exercise regime will not only help you to boost your immunity, but it will also make you more resilient to be able to deal with these kind of crisis circumstances. Because if your immunity is low, susceptibility and proneness to disease is also more. And lastly, I would also like to say that have a good quality sleep. Try to listen to music or just read a book before you actually fall off to sleep, and that is going to help you to be able to calm and relax your body and mind. I hope these tips are beneficial for you. Otherwise, for further information, you can also log on to my YouTube channel by the name of Dr. Naineka Singh. Most of the techniques which I have discussed out there are techniques which will help you to have a positive mental health, which is actually the need of the hour today. Thank you so much.